Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. In today's special video, I'm going to be talking about commitments of traders analysis 24/7. It's an interesting title, I know. I am away right now. I cannot update the usual format. So if you're interested in the 17th commitments of traders report, then please visit us at COTBASE.com and you can analyze the most recent report. If you are new to COT analysis, you should know that COTBASE.com offers a wide range of services around the commitments of traders report. You can actually come here and find a lot of useful information. There's some great book recommendations and so on. We also have some very useful videos as well that can guide you through the analysis process. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment underneath the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit that like button. It would mean the world to us. And of course, you can also subscribe and get notified if we have another interesting video. So getting to our main topic here, COT analysis 24/7. The classic COT report, as you may know, is issued by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission on a weekly basis. So if we look at a one-year chart here we go, we've got the Australian dollar. You can see that the price chart is a daily candlestick chart, but the COT data underneath is a weekly data. So at COTBASE, we spent years of research and development to come up with our own unique indicator, the iCOT Intraday Indicator. That is very, very useful on short time frames as well. You can actually check out different great examples how this indicator actually works, what type of signals there are. Now, I'm not going to be, of course, surprising you when I say 24/7. That means cryptocurrency. So, of course, we all know that the crypto market does not sleep. It's awake even on the weekends, at night, and I want to show you how this indicator can be useful for you on, let's say, the largest market, the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. And by the way, I am going to give you kind of a build up to what you just saw over there. So COT analysis, we've got three main trader categories: large speculators, commercials, and non-reportables, or as we call them, small speculators. Here at COTBASE.com, we designed the indicator. We focus on large speculators and commercials. So all you see here is this green line. We're used to calling them large speculators. Red line, we are used to calling them commercials. This is not the data from CFTC. I'd like to highlight that. We reverse engineered COT analysis and brought it to the short time frame. So it's a unique indicator that is actually capable of analyzing the markets real time. This is very, very much real time. It's an extreme example. This is Bitcoin on a 15 seconds chart. What you can see here, and I'm sure if you are aware of how COT analysis works, COT extreme analysis, you know that commercials tend to reach a bearish extreme when the price is a little bit too high. You can see that's the case over here. The market dropped afterwards, and as it did, you can see that commercials moved away from their bearish extreme. We get a bullish extreme. Same case with large speculators. When the market goes back up, we reach another bearish extreme, and so on and so on. So this is sort of like the COT index because it runs between these values, plus 100 and minus 100. These are scores. This measures strength. There's a great video. The link is in the description showing you how we came up with this indicator. These are the score lines. What you can do is you can actually add the signals. This is the basic version of the indicator, and then the signals will help you identify those points in time. You can see that we've got these vertical stripe signals. We call them stripe signals. So these are the strongest sell signals if they're red. We've got commercials extreme, speculators extreme. We have the green vertical lines. We call them bullish stripe signals when we've got, once again, commercials at an extreme, large speculators at an extreme. And then, of course, we've got the individual signals themselves. Commercials If it's a bearish signal, then we have the yellow diamond above the candlestick. If it is a bullish signal, we've got the yellow diamond underneath the candlestick. And if we've got a large speculators extreme, then that's represented with the candlestick changing its color. When we've got both at the same time, we do have a chance to get these vertical stripe signals that are the strongest. And as you can see on this chart, we tend to get these stripe signals at a good point in time. You don't necessarily need a stripe signal. You can see over here, we've got a beautiful yellow diamond over here. We've got some great signals over here. If you want to go to the next level, the iCOT Intraday Indicator with after signal is what you want to use. The way we use that indicator is we actually put two on the chart. One, we're going to say, go find us opportunities on the long side of trade. So we're going to say, we're going to switch this from stripe signals. We're going to say any type of signal. It can be from commercials or speculators, doesn't matter. Let us gather those signals. And the other one, we're going to focus its attention on shorting opportunities. There you go. So it takes a while, and you can see that the signal pops up once the market confirms that's a successful signal. And this, once again, is a 15 seconds chart on Bitcoin versus the US dollar. You can see how efficient it is. There's, of course, a bunch of settings that you can do when it comes to these very short time frames. I do advise bringing down the stop close number, meaning it defines when you exit the trade, down to 0, because we are talking about very dynamic movements. And then it gives you a chance to capture maybe a little bit better trades and exit at a better time. Now, this, of course, can be manipulated based on your own trading style, but you can practice and figure out what the best way to really get value from this indicator. There's a couple of useful videos out there that explain how you can actually use this indicator very, very effectively. You can see over here, by changing that stop line to 0, this trade is very, very short-lived. We can test and see what happens if we increase that value to 1. You can see it captures a larger area from the market. So a lot of interesting tools here at COTBASE.com. If you would like to benefit from this type of analysis and you want to trade anytime, then of course cryptocurrencies are there for you, and you can use this wonderful tool on most of these crypto markets. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this interesting video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment underneath the video or send us an email to info@cotbase.com. Have a wonderful rest of your day and have a nice weekend. Take care. Goodbye.